In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Bitcoin on the Binance app, a step-by-step tutorial perfect for beginners. Now, if you're new to the world of cryptocurrency, don't worry, as this guide is designed to be straightforward and easy to follow. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Binance app on your phone. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged in. This might sound simple, but having the app updated and your login details ready will make the process smoother. Once you're in, you'll find a menu at the bottom of the screen. Here, you need to look for and tap on Add Funds. After selecting it, you'll be given a few options. Choose Buy with Currency, or in some versions, this might show up as Buy Crypto. The pathway may differ slightly depending on updates to the app or your location, so be on the lookout for these variations. Next up, once you've navigated to this buying section, you'll need to select Bitcoin, commonly shown as BTC. This is crucial as you want to ensure you're buying the right cryptocurrency. Alongside Bitcoin, you'll have the option to choose your desired payment method. Binance typically offers a few different ways to pay, through a card, via bank transfer, or by using a peer-to-peer P2P option. Each method has its own set of requirements and potential fees, so take a moment to consider which works best for your situation. For first-time buyers, using a card might be the most convenient option since it's quick and straightforward. After you've selected Bitcoin and chosen your payment method, the next step is to enter the amount you want to purchase. Be mindful of the market rates and any associated transaction fees that may apply. Once you've input the correct amount, go ahead and tap on Preview Order. This gives you a chance to double check everything like the amount, price and any fees before you proceed. It's like a little safety net ensuring everything appears exactly as you intended. Once you are content with your order preview, it's time to tap Place Order. Following this, the app will guide you through the payment prompts necessary to finalize the transaction. These prompts are generally straightforward, but make sure you follow them precisely to avoid any hiccups. Depending on your chosen payment method, you might need to confirm a transaction in your banking app or through an authentication process. Finally, on successful completion of your payment, your Bitcoin will appear in your spot wallet within the Binance app. It may take a short while for everything to process and update, but soon enough your new asset will be there ready and waiting. And that's it, you've successfully bought your first Bitcoin on Binance. Remember, always stay vigilant with your transactions and enjoy your crypto journey responsibly.